Hello, scientists. It's Mr. Hanrahan. We are on class packet 2.10 today, investigating molecular scale. Our objective is scientists will be able to use a model of molecular motion to explain properties of particles and begin to apply ideas to the second unit question. What happened to the water on Mars? For today's class, you will need to open Amplify lesson 1.3. I'm going to show you how to get to Amplify. So first, in our new tab, we put in clever.com. Oops, I misspelled it. clever.com/NDSST. Hopefully you already have this bookmarked. And then you're going to scroll down to the orange icon that says Amplify. You're going to click and open Amplify. It should log you right in. And there we go. Okay. Cool. So you will most likely come to this beginning page, 6th grade science DSST, and you're going to click on the phase change unit. Then you're going to click and open up chapter 1. And then finally, you're going to open up lesson 1.3. We'll have further instructions to what tab you go to later in our lesson. Let's go ahead and get going on those recap questions from last packet and are due now.